Hello world, this is Dr. Shon Lewis and I've just completed Apostle Karen Long's wonderful business class called BIZ Made Simple. I have learned so much better on how to manage my finances in my businesses, how to manage profit and loss, and how to make and save money. I would encourage you to check out her class in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. I promise you it will help you grow your business so much better and you will never be the same.
Morning, we're all here to show you the Business Made Simple workbook all ready for the class. I'm really excited. I'm just gonna just breeze through it just a little bit. We talk about cash flow. We have charts, graph. There is even homework where you write everything down. So we actually show you P&Ls. So we profit and loss statements. So all of that is in here. I'm super excited just to let you guys see. Yep. So the book is actually ready. This book comes with the class. $50. You haven't had a chance to sign up, go to www.bizmadesimple.biz. I will look forward to seeing you in the next workshop. You be blessed.